What if I were to inform you that you have the potential to earn more than $40 per hour from the comfort of your home, starting with zero money and zero experience? Well, the reality is that you can. What makes it even more appealing is that it's often easier to secure these positions compared to traditional jobs. In fact, in some cases, you can land a job and start making money on the same day. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. The first option to explore is internet scoping, and I can anticipate your question. Is this where you target the like button and hit it? Not exactly, but feel free to do that. I'd appreciate it. Internet scoping involves working from home in your pajamas, helping lawyers make sense of their convoluted arguments. Think of it as being a detective, unraveling the mystery of what the lawyer was actually trying to communicate. No, it's not about objecting to bias. It's more like saying, "Your Honor, it's just in the objection." Next question. This opportunity is ideal for individuals with a keen eye for detail and a knack for research. Here's a fascinating story about Darius, who transitioned from being laid off to making over $4,500 a month as a scopist. As a scopist, your role is essentially that of a quality control person for the court reporter recording transcripts. As a beginner, you might earn around $500 to $800 a month part-time. With experience, this could increase to $1,500 to $4,500 a month depending on the time of the year. It's a career that experiences varying levels of activity throughout the year, which is beneficial for maximizing earnings. Pros of scoping include the ability to work from home, flexible hours, and a consistent workload. However, there are potential cons, such as the repetitive nature of the work and the need to continually learn new software and techniques. If you consider yourself a member of the grammar police, this career might be an excellent fit, and you might want to scan the comments for any mistakes to correct. Overall, this opportunity scores a 7 out of 10. Moving on, the next opportunity to explore is perfect for those who want to make a difference in the healthcare industry without wearing scrubs or stepping into a clinic or hospital. Enter the role of a telehealth coordinator. This position is akin to being a traffic cop for doctors, managing video calls instead of honking horns. The appeal of telehealth lies in its ability to provide quick access to medical professionals, determining whether an in-person visit is necessary. As a telehealth coordinator, you'll handle various administrative tasks, and with growing demand for remote healthcare, especially in recent years, the need for professionals in this role is on the rise. The job can be performed from anywhere with an internet connection, and the expected annual salary is around $48,000. Pros include the flexibility to work from home, involvement in the healthcare industry without direct patient interaction, and a rapidly growing job market. Cons involve potential stress from managing multiple appointments and the necessity to stay updated on evolving healthcare technologies. This opportunity receives an opportunity score of 7.5 out of 10. If you're a multitasker who enjoys interacting with people but prefers not to do so over video or phone calls, the role of a live chat specialist might be your ideal job. Comparable to being the therapist without charging by the hour, live chat specialists resolve customer issues through written communication. Studies show that customers are most satisfied with live chat interactions. On average, you can expect to earn around $43,000 per year, with potential incentives depending on the company. Pros include the flexibility to work from anywhere, the ability to help people and solve problems, and opportunities for advancement. However, cons include dealing with frustrated customers and managing multiple chats simultaneously. If you enjoy multitasking, helping people, and don't mind being a digital superhero without wearing a cape or going to the office, being a live chat specialist might be the perfect fit. This opportunity scores a high 9.5 out of 10 due to its ease of entry. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. The next role on the list is one that requires caution in choosing the company you work for: the content moderator. Think of it as being a bouncer for the internet, responsible for keeping disruptive elements out and ensuring everyone follows the rules. The main task of a content moderator is to review user-generated content, including comments, videos, photos, etc. However, it's crucial to note that some forms of content moderation may involve viewing explicit or disturbing material, leading to potential trauma for moderators. The job comes with flexible hours, the option to work from home, and the significance of the work being done. On the downside, there's the challenge of dealing with potentially disturbing content and facing high levels of scrutiny in your moderation. It's essential not to become a moderator who bans people based on differing political beliefs, as that is considered inappropriate. Despite its challenges, this role is relatively easy to get into, with numerous job openings available. The opportunity score for content moderation is a 7 out of 10. If you're looking for a remote job that allows you to leverage your technical expertise to ensure smooth business operations, business system admin might be the right fit. John Chambers of Cisco once stated that at least 40% of businesses will face demise in the next 10 years if they fail to adapt to new technologies. As a business system admin, you'll be responsible for managing and maintaining the software systems that companies use daily, ensuring effective business operations. Think of yourself as a mechanic keeping the engine of a business running smoothly. The demand for skilled business system admins has increased significantly with a shift towards online business operations. With an annual salary of about $97,000, this role offers good pay, flexible hours, and the ability to remote workly. However, it comes with a need for constant learning and the potential for long hours during system outages. If you're someone who enjoys fixing things but prefers avoiding office politics and the hassle of finding a parking spot, business system admin might be the perfect remote job for you. This opportunity scores an 8 out of 10 due to its perceived difficulty in entry. Now, let's delve into some company-specific job opportunities, particularly with a well-known tech giant. If you're a tech-savvy problem solver seeking a remote job with a world-renowned company, look no further. You can become an Apple home care specialist. In this case, we're talking about Apple Home Advisors. This position, with overwhelmingly positive online reviews, involves remote work to assist customers with Apple product issues. As an Apple Home Advisor, you're akin to the emergency medical responders of the tech world, swooping in to save the day when an iPhone is on the fritz. Apple is known for its consistent hiring, and according to Glassdoor, Apple advisors earn around $37,000 a year with reported excellent benefits. The pros include remote work, extensive training, and the opportunity to work with a world-renowned company. On the flip side, you may encounter frustrated customers and may need to work odd hours to accommodate international clients. Being familiar with Apple products is also a plus. This opportunity earns a solid 8 out of 10 due to the company's prestige, consistent hiring, and relative ease of entry. Moving on to the next opportunity, we have a role for individuals who aspire to be a next-level customer service representative, the Customer Success Manager. Studies show that acquiring new customers is significantly more expensive than retaining existing ones, underscoring the importance of top-notch customer service. The Customer Success Manager is the ultimate version of customer service, becoming increasingly common, especially for high-ticket products and services in the business-to-business industry. According to Glassdoor, Customer Success Managers earn about $94,000 a year. Pros of this role include the ability to work remotely, high demand, and the chance to work closely with people to help them succeed. On the downside, you'll need strong communication skills and may face high-pressure situations. This opportunity scores an impressive 9.5 out of 10 due to its high demand, the potential for significant earnings, and the opportunity to make a meaningful impact. By the way, if you're interested in exploring more high-paying work-from-home opportunities, check out my video on the 21 highest-paying work-from-job homes. While some require a longer-term commitment, others offer relatively easy entry. You can find the video by clicking right here. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!